Hello everyone, I'm Reshma from Vista ID Hub, and today we are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 4.3, chapter 4 simple equation from class 7 NCERT solution. Before solving the exercise 4.3 question first, I would like to explain you about the transposing. I have already explained you into the first video that is about the basic concept of simple equation. But here I am going to revise you about it. That is, transposing a number means changing the side of the number. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? अब तक हम लोग ने किया था adding और subtracting on the both the side. यहाँ पे लिखा है transposing मतलब changing the side of the number. Equation has two sides, that is left hand side and right hand side. और इसका साइड चेंज करना मतलब क्या होता है? फ्रॉम LHS टू RHS यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज दैट नंबर. और एक रूल होता है ट्रांसपोजिंग का, जब चेंज करते हो आप किसी भी नंबर का साइड तो उसका साइन चेंज करना नहीं भूलना चाहिए. व्हाइल ट्रांसपोजिंग अ नंबर वी चेंज इट्स साइन. व्हाट इट मीन्स, उसका जो ऑपरेशन है वो उसको ऑपोजिट करना है. अल्टीमेटली द एडिंग और सब्सट्रैक्टिंग both the side is this method is the same like the transposing. I'll explain you with the simple example of that. ये देखो यहाँ पे है x minus 4 is equal to 2 is one equation. Previous method, that is adding on both the side. So equation is x minus 4 is equal to 2. I'm going to add 4 on both the side because it is minus over here. So I'm going to do the opposite operation on both the side. Here it will become x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4, that is x is equal to 6. Now I'm going to use the transposing method. Here the equation is same and I'm going to do the transposing. What? This number I'm going to transpose. Where? From left hand side to right hand side. And while doing that, don't forget to do the opposite operation, or don't forget to change its signs. Its sign is here minus. After transposing to the right hand side, I'm going to change its sign. It will become plus. So that's why here then value of x I will get is equal to 6. You can see here the answer is same. I'll take one more example of multiplication. Let us 3x is equal to 18. In this the variable is x and the constant is multiply by x. That's why I will perform here the dividing on both the side. What I'm going to divide? This 3 I'm going to divide it. It will become 3x divided by 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3. So my answer is x is equal to 6. Same equation I'm going to do with the transposing method. Transposing means changing the side of the number. My number is 3. I'm going to change its sides from left hand side to the right hand side. It will become divide. So it will become x is equal to 18 divided by 3. That is 6. This method is very easy. Don't forget to change the sign of the number. Let's solve the first question. That is, solve the following equations. The first equation is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Now here my number is 5 by 2. I'm going to transpose this number. From where to where? यहाँ पे मैं LHS में हूँ, ये मेरा number है, तो मैं अभी यहाँ पे उसे भेजूंगी right hand side में. So I'm going to write transposing what? This number, that is 5 by 2. To where? To right hand side. After transposing, I'm going to change the sign. It will become minus 5 by 2. So left hand side में क्या रह गया है? Only 2y. This is a variable. We have to find out the value of the variable. So here it is only 2y is equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. You can see here it is a simple subtraction of the fraction. यहाँ पे denominator same है तो numerator easily minus हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 37 minus 5 upon 2. I'm getting 32 upon 2. That is nothing but 32 को अगर मैं 2 से divide करती हूँ तो मुझे मिलेगा 16. So my new equation is 2y is equal to 16. Now, along with the variable, number is 2. So, as per my transposing rule, I am going to shift this 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. अगर यहाँ पे multiply है तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद वो होगा divide. So, transposing to the right hand side, it will become divide. So, y is equal to 16 upon 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. That's why my value of y is equal to 8. Now, next sum will solve. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. अभी ये प्लस 28 है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. आई एम ट्रांसपोजिंग 8 टू RHS. It will become minus 28. So 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. क्या आता है आंसर? 10 minus 28 का minus 18. ये पता है तुम लोगों को, मैंने पहले भी बताया है. प्लस माइनस आई एम गोइंग टू डू माइनस. माई आंसर इज minus 18. My new equation is 5t is equal to -18. So what next I'm going to perform? क्या करना है याद है आपको? जी हाँ, ये 5 को मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से शिफ्ट करूंगी राइट हैंड साइड में. अगर ये यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई है तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद होगा डिवाइड. So transposing 5 to right hand side, I'm going to divide this. So t is equal to -18 upon 5. I'm not getting its simplest form. 18 को 5 से divide नहीं होता है. That's why my answer is only t is equal to -18 upon 5. It's very easy. You need to just remember while transposing from left hand side to the right hand side, don't forget to change its sign. And rest is very simple. Next is a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Left hand side का ये plus 3 है, ट्रांसपोज होके राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा और बनेगा -3. ये देखो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है 2 -3 और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में से होगा a upon 5 is equal to 2 -3. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में होगा a upon 5, राइट हैंड साइड में होगा 2 -3 is -1. So I'm getting this as a new equation. अभी क्या करना है? What is my next rule? ये जो divide 5 है उसे मैं राइट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज करने वाली हूँ. Yes, I'm going to transpose 5 to right hand side. It will become divide का बनेगा multiply. तो a is equal to -1 into 5. -1 will become -5. That's my answer is -5. It's very simple and very easy. Next is q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Now, on what I'm going to transpose this plus 7, it will become -7 if I'm transposing it to the right hand side. So, q upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 का आंसर क्या आता है? -2. So, my new equation is q upon 4 is equal to -2. अभी क्या करना है? ये 4 जो डिवाइड है वो ट्रांसपोज होने के बाद होगा मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. So, q is equal to -2 into 4, that is -8. 4 into 2 is 8 and don't forget to give this minus sign. That's why my answer is q is equal to -8. Next equation is 5 upon 2x is equal to -5. It's very simple and short equation. Just variable is x and the constant is 5 upon 2. I'm going to shift this 5 by 2 number as a whole fraction number. I'm going to shift to the right hand side. This is quite different. Transposing 5 by 2 to right hand side. On transposing it will become divide. So I need to write here x is equal to -5 divide by 5 by 2. तो do you remember अगर हम लोग जो डिवाइड करते हैं फ्रैक्शंस का तो उसका रूल क्या होता है? हमें करना होता है उसका इनवर्स, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स करते हैं हम उसका. देन यू विल गेट x इज इक्वल टू -5 डिवाइड बाय 5 by 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होगा इनटू 2 by 5. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होता है 2 by 5. तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन और ये फ्रैक्शन इनवर्स होगा, दैट इज 2.5. दिस 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. Here it will remain only -1. That's why x is equal to -1 into 2, that is -2. It's very easy. Just you have to remember this. अगर ये फ्रैक्शन कभी भी ट्रांसपोज होता है on other side तो वो होता है पहले डिवाइड, और डिवाइड होने के बाद we cannot perform this operation like this. We need to do multiplicative inverse of that fraction. तो वो बनेगा, फ्रैक्शन बनेगा inverse, and then you can easily multiply or divide the sum. And you will get this x is equal to -2 is the answer of that. Same kind of equation is here. 5 upon 2 x is equal to 25 upon 4. Both the sides fractions number are there. So same method we are going to use here. We are going to transpose 5 by 2 to the right hand side. It will become divide. So x is equal to 25 divided by 4. That is 25 upon 4 divided by 5 upon 2. Don't forget to do the multiplicative inverse of that. You will get x is equal to 25 by 4 into 2 by 5. ये 5 by 2 का inverse होगा 2 by 5 और यहाँ पे multiplication का sign आएगा. Now simply you can solve this by dividing 25 को 5 से divide होगा, 5 5s are 25 and ये 2 से 4 को divide होगा, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So here you are getting only 1 and 1 and here you are getting 5 upon 2. That's why my answer is 5 upon 2. X is equal to 5 upon 2. Now next equation is 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. Same way we are going to transpose 19 upon 2 to right hand side. It will become minus 19 upon 2. That's why 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. But you can see here denominator same nahi hai. So what I am going to do first, I am going to solve this by multiplying 2 over here. तो मैं यहाँ पे करूँगी multiply by 2. I'm going to do the denominator same. That's why I'm going to multiply by 2 to this 13. So I will get 26 minus 19 upon 2. Here I am getting the same denominator. Answer will be 7m is equal to 26 minus 19, that is 7 upon 2. My new equation is 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Now here 7m is there. This 7 I am going to shift or transpose to the right hand side. It will become divide. So transposing 7 to right hand side, it will become m is equal to 7 upon 2 divided by 7. Here again I have to do the इनवर्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 7 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होता है 1 अपॉन 7. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगी m is equal to 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 7. This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. I will get only m is equal to 1 upon 2. My equation is 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Now I'm going to transpose this plus 10 to the right hand side. So it will become minus 10. 6z is equal to minus 2 minus 10. So minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12. My new equation is 6z is equal to minus 12. Now simply I am going to transpose this 6 to the right hand side. It will become divide. So simply z is equal to minus 12 upon 6, that is minus 2. 12 by 6 is 2. And don't forget to write the minus sign. That's why z is equal to minus 2. Very easy and simple. Now next is 3l upon 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Again, both the side fractions are there. Again, I am going to transpose this fraction is 3 by 2. So I am going to transpose this 3 by 2 to the right hand side. It will become divide. So equation will be L is equal to 2 upon 3 divided by 3 by 2. अभी इसे क्या करना है? Don't forget to do the inverse of it. Then only we can solve this. Then 2 by L is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 again. यहाँ पे 3 by 2 का inverse होता है multiply by 2 by 3. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ भी divide नहीं हो रहा है, तो simply numerator और denominator में जो भी numbers है उसका multiplication करूँगी. Then I will get L is equal to 4 upon 9. This is my answer. Now last is 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So simply transpose this number to right hand side. It will become plus 5. So 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. So my new equation is 2 upon 3 is a fraction number, b is a variable is equal to 8. अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, इस 2 by 3 को transpose करूँगी right hand side. I will write this way, b is equal to 8 divided by 2 by 3. Don't forget to do the inverse of this number. So I will get 8 into 2 by 3 का inverse होगा 3 by 2. इसीलिए मुझे यहाँ पे मिलेगा into 8 into 3 by 2. 8 को 2 से divide होता है, that is 4. So I am getting 4 into 3, that is 12. So my answer is B is equal to 12. This way we have completed our question number 1 from exercise 4.3. It's very simple. You need to just follow the transposing rule, and that is, in the transposing rule you have to shift the number to the other side. While transposing, don't forget to change its sign. This way you can find out the value of the variable by using the transposing method. Thank you and have a nice day.